What's up guys, my name is Nesbits, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make orchestral drill type beats. Select the scale, going from minor scale. I think I need a brass, so let me look for a string. I'm going to make this brass have some movement by playing with the volume knob. Yeah, so now I'm going to add a solo violin. So I'm going to export this happy string. This violin is all over the place, so I'm going to try and make it a bit simpler. Now it's time for drums. So for the 808, I'm going to copy the root notes of the main brass melody, just paste them and look for So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the final beat. I hope you will love it.